Hey, English 2. This is our second to last quiz for Macbeth, Act 4. So we've made it very far over the last couple of weeks, and we're just about prepared to write our essay for Macbeth. So I'm really excited about that. I would really like to see the scores on these quizzes grow, and I really think that's possible as long as you're watching every QuickTime lesson and you're reaching out to me with specific questions. If you haven't watched every lesson up until this point, I need you to spend some time doing that because that's going to become super important when we move into that test grade. All right, so what are you doing here? You're responding to the following prompt in one-page MLA format. If you don't remember MLA format, you've got two things. One, you literally have the whole world at your fingertips. Google it. Two, we wrote in MLA format on your personal narrative. I always walk through MLA format on that first essay because I want you to use it as the model. So go back and reference that. Here's the prompt itself. At the end of Act 4, Macduff's speech foreshadows a final confrontation between Macbeth and Macduff. We discussed that yesterday. We're headed into war. Scotland equals Macbeth. England equals Macduff. Here. Should Macduff confront Macbeth but spare his life, like conversation or something, or should Macduff confront and kill Macbeth? I think what you need to consider here is the consequences of not killing Macbeth. If he chooses to spare Macbeth's life, will Macbeth consider to be the tyrant he's described as being? Or will that confrontation maybe get him in check? Based on what you know about Macbeth, what do you think would happen there? In your response, include a clear position. That's a thesis statement. You should choose one of the bolded options above, okay? You should include 3 correctly cited pieces of evidence to support your response. You may use evidence from any of the acts we've read so far. That's 1 through 4, but one of your citations must be from Act 4. You must cite those appropriately. In fact, I'm going to put an example here. I shouldn't have to, but I'm going to. Act 4, Scene 1, lines 9 through 10. I don't know what that citation specifically is referencing there, but that's an example. Capital Roman numerals for act, colon to separate them, scene, lowercase, Roman numerals, and then a space, no commas, nothing of the sort, no word line, and line numbers. And then a clear understanding of Macbeth's character. In other words, your analysis of the evidence should reflect accurate descriptions of Macbeth. If you say, I think he should kill him because Macbeth killed Lady Macbeth, I'm going to be like, but he didn't. Okay, so you have to show me that you truly understand the character of Macbeth. Make sure it's 1 page. Make sure that you are, what was I going to say? Oh, not using any first or second person pronouns. So please avoid I or you. Right in third. Probably can't see that person. Only. Know how I'll know you watch this? Because I'll see that. All right. Email me if you have any specific questions. Okay, questions like I don't get it are not very helpful to me. All right. Have a good rest of your week if I don't speak with you, and I will talk to you soon.